Good morning, everybody. A little tired this morning. By a little, I mean a lot, but oh well. All right. Let's see what we got going on. Today is the 28th, almost the end of May. Fuck. And yesterday went by so fast. Crazy how time flies. Sometimes it's just outrageous how time flies. Today is the, like I said, 28th. There you go. Let's go over here and grab these. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Don't know if anybody's here yet. Haven't a chance to look. Make some money. I think we have some sell stops going on the three indices, but I'll have to get to that in a second. All I did was look, and I'm going to explain a trade that's very important for you guys to learn from. It's a question brought in, and I want to help you guys understand the trade that was called. All right. I don't even know where we are. Let's see. TikTok. Yeah. All right, TikTokers, let's get you started. There we go. This one. All right. Live on TikTok. Live on YouTube. I really have to get on a few other places too, but I'm getting there. We're almost at that point. Waiting for Keith to finish up a few things. All right, we're live on both. Let me get things going here. Yeah, we're on both. Yay. What's up, Bob? Yay, Bob. What's up, Bob? Bob Ooten. Good morning, sir. What about Bob? Great movie. Oh, I'm tired. What do we got going on here? Good morning. It's my time. Good morning, Bob. What's going on over here on YouTube? Good morning, Jason. Good morning, Tupac. Good morning, Jay Parker. Good morning, Greg Roberts. I know Greg will be on both. Thank you, Greg. Good morning, John Francescos. John will too. Not today. Good morning, Kelly. Good morning, Ken. Good morning, Joe Biga and Jamie Rojo. All right. I think we're good. Few people. Everybody from YouTube can head over to TikTok this morning. That'd be greatly appreciated. I'm going to insist on it here in a little bit. I'll give you guys about a half hour to get over there. I'll make the call outs after that. First things first. Let's always start with the glorious one. United States of America has granted us a trademark for the safety trade system. It is registered as legally binding. Protects the name, protects all the indicators. We will sue if anyone attempts to take any of this. It is also NDA protected. So, if you guys know that, and if you know that I am not a financial advisor, as you can clearly see the whole entire time it's up here. And No one associated with the channel is a financial advisor. We are strictly social media influencers. You have a nice store. You're an adult, make your own damn decisions. Please type yes if you understand those two things. This is a legally protected, copyright protected, NDA protected trading system, and that we are not financial advisors. Okay. I knew John would be on both, and Flights and Greg would be on both. That's funny. It's my time. Good morning, Larry Cooper. What's up, Larry? It's my time. All right. We're going to deep dive into a trade. And I need to make sure I'm saying this right, so give me 1 second. It's my time. Good morning, Jason. Morning, Leon. Good morning, Tom. Good morning, Johan. Good morning, Stu. It's my time. It's now or never. How do I get the chat? Yeah. Good morning, Stu. Yeah, that's that. So technically I can see it over there. The only one I can't is TikTok. I do have a few trades open. We'll get into that later. I do want to go over this particular trade, though. It's very extremely important. All right, it's a gold trade. We're on the 5-minute. Okay. Sometimes what happens with trades is you can see what's coming and you decide to jump in early and not follow the rules. So what we're going to look at is a gold 5-minute sell stop that this person took, and see, perhaps where the mistake was and what could we do to help. Okay. So there was supposedly a 5-minute sell stop this person saw, and a 15-minute sell stop the person saw at this time. So let's take a look. And we're always trying to help everybody we can. So at the time, see, this is what the problem comes in. See, you can see that this was a green and then red, and they're thinking this is a sell stop. But let me be clear on this. So they think this is a 15-minute sell stop, and that at the time that this was a 5-minute sell stop. You can kind of see that with the green, and it looks like that. But the reality, this purple line is the time that they went in. In reality, when you're looking at this, the only thing, and let's be clear on every trade ever, the sniper is the number one let's get this clear. The sniper, how big is 60? It's probably pretty damn big. It's now or never. Okay. Here you go. So let's be clear. Can everyone see this? Is it too big for TikTok? So this person is thinking this is a sell stop, which you can see why. You can clearly see why. If you didn't see the sniper and all you didn't follow the rules of how the logo works, and all you saw was this green, red, red, and then it's going to turn green, red, red again, you can see why this might be a sell stop. Matter of fact, it's quite blatant why this might be a sell stop, right? It's now or never. Good morning, Tom again. Jason McCain again. Good morning, Leon, Stu. Good morning, Damien and Golden City, Cindy. How do we analyze bigger time frame versus lower time? Did a beautiful, beautiful video on that, Stu. You should really watch the lives I do. Good morning, Marley Marr. And good morning, Larry Cooper. Thanks for being on both. So I actually did a training video on that very subject twice. Let's go over to here. Good morning, Mr. C. I know Mr. C made his money on gold, I guarantee you. All right, here we go. Happy Memorial Day, happy birthday. How to exactly analyze safety trade chart system. So Stu, why don't you head over to here and actually watch the video that says how to exactly analyze a safety trade system chart. Must watch. 412 people did. And I strongly suggest you head over there, Stu. Okay? It tells you exactly how to analyze it. So again, it's great, and I'm going to show you again exactly how to analyze it now, but there's videos, and I spent an hour and a half telling you and teaching you and showing you and giving you examples of how to analyze one chart. An hour and a half of my time. Then I repeated it multiple times, I think 2 more times, for a total of 3 times, doing it faster and faster. But I teach you how to exactly analyze a safety trade system chart. Good morning, John C. Morning, Mr. C. Yeah, I think Damien liked that one. Most people did. Matter of fact, it's must-watch TV. This little one right here, I even said TV. Correct, Damien. Rewatch your rules so you can plug it in. Correct. And there it is. And when it says 0 comments, there was like 100 comments on it. I don't know why. I think that means after it's been published. Anyhow. But here's me. Watched multiple times. Excellent lesson. Thank you, Tom. Me too, says Bob. Yeah, Bob was one of them that commented. Good morning, D Nice. What's up, D Nice? We're about to go over a trade. And God, I hope there's no fucking news this morning. All right, I need everybody on YouTube to head over to TikTok. If that doesn't happen within 15 minutes, I'll be closing down YouTube. Just so you're clear. Matter of fact, let me set my timer. Yeah, I'm kind of tired this morning. I'm not going to horse shit around. You guys got 15 minutes to get your asses from YouTube to TikTok. If you don't, close in YouTube. All right, so what we're doing this morning, there's this very good, kind man, one of our members, who mistook a trade. And it happens. It happens to everyone. It just happens. When do I get in? I was in the wrong. This is a 5-minute sell. This is a 15-minute sell. So I'm going to go over it. Oh, thank you, Jason. Oh, you're the best. No real news this morning. Yay. But I'm not even going to fuck around with 8:30. I don't give 2 shits anyways. We'll just call out news. Anyway. So let's take a look. He thought this was a, right in here. Let me be specific. He's reading the charts. Well, by himself instead of using a thing inside of here. This is common. If I did a whole video, 2 videos actually on it. But he thought, here we are, green, red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop. Red, 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 green, sell stop. So he puts in a sell stop order at this exact time. Let me stress again, super nice and actually in profit right there. 2,334. He was up $2 and didn't take. Okay. Well, let's go over a few things. Shouldn't have put in a sell, but if you put in a sell and you're up $2 on gold, you should take profit. Otherwise, that's being a little greedy. So that'd be my first thing. He could have made money on the wrong trade anyways, but here we go. Good morning, Marley Mar. Thanks for being on both. Yeah, I'll give you guys a countdown. You have 13 minutes to go from YouTube to TikTok, or at least most of you. It doesn't have to be all of you, just most. All right, here we go. You don't have to watch TikTok. You don't have to, even though the sound's better on TikTok, in my opinion. Just put it on your phone or something and turn it over and mute it so you don't have to lower the volume. All right, so let's be honest. How many here, without the sniper, and be honest, if you're looking at this right here, how many of you would have taken this trade as a sell, where the purple line is? Because all you would have seen, you wouldn't have seen the future. Let's be reasonable here. Everyone's like, oh, I would never have taken bullshit. Let's take a look. So this is the future. You can't see it. How many of you would have taken a sell stop right here? Be honest. Say yes, you would have taken a sell stop. If no one would have. What's up, Johan? Thanks for being at both. With this setup right here, and you didn't have the sniper, Bob. Jason Roby said, I've been guilty of. Yeah, red, 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 green, red, red. You're to put your sell stop below, either on the yellow line or the red line. Look, right here, it did it before. Perfect. By the way, just throwing out, Joanne says sell stop. Yep, I'm guilty. Tom Law. So there, you guys are being truthful. And I'm sure Bob is too. He probably looks at different time frames that vary. But if you're only looking at no sniper, yes. No sniper, yes. Correct. Bob's smart. He knows what the damn sniper does. So watch. The signals called out this sell stop. You see it? The signals didn't call out this sell stop. That should have been your first. Yeah, I'm guilty. That should have been your first hint that this isn't a true sell stop. Because the signals said it was on this one. The signals didn't say it was on that one. Isn't that funny? So the signals knew better because the signals are checking something. So let's go ahead and take a look. Why this isn't a sell? See, this is traditionally, if you only have the system and you only have the original, well, the 2.0 original system, and all you can see is red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop. You'd have put your line in, and technically you would have made $2 on that little movement right here. That little movement was about $2 in gold, which is enough to close it. But say you got greedy or you didn't pay attention, and you didn't sell. So the reason being, this wasn't even to enter in a sell stop. Hell, pretty much this one either wasn't either unless we're in a higher time frame. It's 2 words. Okay, 3 words. The sniper rules. So what is the sniper? Well, actually, it's the bot, but I don't want to get into that. Broken out into 2 lines, so you got to see. It is the overriding factor for these signals to be 65-0 as of last count of April. I've completely lost count of how many have been called out. Keith has to still fix a little something on that. It's going crazy with some call-outs. But it's very, very accurate. And how is it very accurate? Because it's based off the sniper. So the sniper rules, period. It doesn't matter what you see up here. It doesn't matter. This is not a sniper entry trade for the 5-minute. It's calling it off the hourly. But if you look at the 5-minute, this is a buy stop, like Bob Ooten so smartly and wisely pointed out. This is actually blue line high, pink line kind of low, buy stop, buy stop. So you can't have a sell on the system when there is a sniper buy. Let me repeat that. You can't have a snail. You can't have a sell up here if it's a buy on the sniper. The sniper rules. The sniper is number one. The sniper is the first thing the signals look at. It's the first thing in your rules that are written out. The sniper is number one. What's up, Malachi? Good morning. We're going over a trade by a very good man, one of our best members that we have. Good fellow, smart fella. And he's asking this question. He said, oh, there's so much questions. What happened to the trade? He took this trade right here, red, 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 green, red, red, as a sell stop. He would have made $2, but whatever, for whatever reasons, he didn't take it and probably expecting to go down further, which is fair. It looks like it should have. But this is a buy stop, as so accurately pointed out, as Bob Wooten said. How do you know it's a buy stop? Blue line high, pink line low, buy stop. So if we're strictly analyzing just this 5 minute, the number one thing he should have realized is when the sniper is showing a buy, you can't do a sell. 7s if that makes sense to everybody, 9s if it doesn't. And then we're going to go on to the total analysis of going to the 10 minute, 15 minute, and so on. So when I say the sniper, it's in the rules, when I say the sniper will prevent you from entering the wrong trade, here's the perfect example. The sniper will stop you from entering the wrong trade. Okay, it looks like a sell stop. That is the limitation you have if you don't have the sniper with the system. The system still works. The first time is always the best. The first time worked out. You can see the signals even called it. But the second time it happened, he shouldn't have entered because the sniper was showing a buy. So if the sniper is number one, these are number two. These are shit. I know I'm teasing. That's the reality. So everybody understood that. Awesome. Congratulations. So now this will prevent you. Now let's take a couple other looks at what's going on here. The logo started low, came up high. This is indicative of a what? Of a buy stop. But you can't, well, but look before it over here. Yeah, if you look before it over here, it started high, came down low and hooked, right? Came up and hooked, came up and hooked, came up and hooked. You have 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th time. In your rules, the first and second time's okay. This is technically the first time for your the actual call to be made, and it's also looking at the 1 hour right now. So we'll have to pull in the 1 hour. But in general rules, if you have the signal service and the signal service isn't calling this a sell stop, don't trade it. So there's another one. I would use the signal service as number one because it controls the sniper. But a lot of you don't have the signal service yet. But the signal service called this one correctly. Didn't call that one. It's my time. So there is the second reasoning. Okay? So the sniper overrules everything you see up top. The signals technically overrule everything, but not everybody has those, so I can't really get into that. So the signals didn't call it. And besides which, you can never take a trade off of one time frame. Never. So let's go ahead and take a look of what we're supposed to be doing. If it's a 5 minute, we're supposed to be comparing it to the 1 hour. So let's go to the 1 hour. Is this where we were? Looks like it. Okay. So this is what the 1 hour looked like at that time. So if we go to the 1 hour and we move this up. Okay. So now, isn't that cute how that 5 minute looks on there? Whoopsie. Let's take a look over here so that you guys have both screens. I'm going to move this back just a little bit. So we need a little more playroom right here. All right. So this right here, this orange thing, are these things calling for this sell stop right here before it happens, and then it comes down. The purple line. So this is now sorry, it moved. It was right here. Okay. So right here is the buy stop in the 5 minute, the logo in the 5 minute. It's not anywhere near the yellow or green lines for the sell. It is inside the red, and it is there. But you can clearly see that it isn't to where it needs to be. Otherwise, if it was, we would have called that on the signal service. So it's not up in our channel yet for a sell to even be considered. So there's a lot of rules right here. Buy stop on your sniper, no sell signal. It's already produced this 4 times on the 5 minute. So you can't really call this a sell stop. If he wanted to take it, he would have entered the trade here at this time. And if he would have, you could have seen clearly this wasn't a sell stop to enter because you already have too many greens. This is green, green, this is green, this is green by the time he enters his trade. So he couldn't have entered it here either. So we can go to the 15 minute, which is what I think he was using for confirmation. Let's take a look and see what that says. Then I'm going to give you my full-time analysis on this one, full analysis on this one, so you guys can see what it actually looks like. So he was using the 15 minute for his confirmations, which is okay, but it's supposed to be 5 minute, 1 hour. And at the time, he's seeing this again. This is a 15 minute sell. But the problem comes in even on the 15 minute chart, you're looking at a buy stop again. So the 5 minute sniper showing a buy, the 15 minute sniper showing a buy. You can't play a sell. You can see our logo had formed in what he considers the higher time frame, the 15 minute, and it also was a buy. And matter of fact, not only was it a buy, fill in the gap, this is another one right here to the blue line. So yeah, that would have been a challenging take. Good morning, Kent. All right. So if you're using the 5 minute, 15 minute, sniper showing buy on the 5 minute, sniper showing buy on the 15 minute, logos both showing buys, one going to the blue line. All this starting to make sense. So again, I wouldn't use the 15 minute as my 5 minute, 15 minute guide. Matter of fact, when we get into the signal service, the ones that rule are the hourly and the daily. Oh my God, I even did the wrong thing. So yeah, you can use the 5 minute, 15 minute if you like, but you should use the 5 minute, 1 hour, or in this case, I forgot, he's actually calling a, you can use either the daily or the hourly. Let's look at the daily. So right here is also a buy stop. So yeah, it's, see right here, this is the purple line where he called it. So if he's looking at the day, see, because the 5 minute has an overlap. The 5 minutes included in the daily, the 5 minutes included in the hourly. So the hourly calls out the 5 minute, and the, oopsie, hold on. And the and the daily calls out the 5 minute. So you guys can use either, but personally, because it is a higher time frame type trade, higher, it's not a 3 minute, 1 minute, 30 second, I would stick with the dailies on these. I know a daily 5 minute is very far away, but these are your rules. So you guys might want to write this down. It'll be in the updated rules when we finally finish these. I think he said maybe today. Good morning, Susie South. So if you're using the weekly, it controls the daily. So any weekly, daily call outs would be controlled by the weekly. That's the first one that rules. You should write, everyone should write this down. Good morning, Annie Apple. Okay, I'll give you guys a chance to get a pen and paper or type it into your phone. Oh, that was my thing. Shit. Okay. We need to get up to 30 people. Oh my gosh, I forgot I gave a warning. 53 people on YouTube. Good morning, LT. I need at least 8 more of you to head over to TikTok. Otherwise, I'm closing down YouTube. I'll give you guys 2-3 more minutes to head over there. I have my alarm and I just turned it off like it was nothing. You got 2 minutes. I need people to go from YouTube to TikTok. The TikTok is the real safety trade. I'm the only one on. I'm not asking too much. I just need 30 of you over there in the next 2 minutes. If it doesn't happen, I'm closing down YouTube. So you can all head over there then at that point. Please write this down. I'll give you till I'm done with this explanation, actually. The weekly overrules everything. So whatever it shows on the weekly, it'll control your dailies. So a weekly daily buy is the number one trade, safest trade you could take. So when it's called out on a weekly daily, you can take it. What's up, LT? What's up, Botnator? Good morning, Annie Apple. Good morning, Susie Stealth. Good morning, Kent. Good morning, Kelly McMahon. So weekly rules, weekly, daily. Then the daily. Let's go over the daily. The daily controls your 1 hour, your 30 minute, your 15 minute, your 10, and your 5. I know we have overflow on it. But the daily trend, the daily sniper trend, can't call it a daily trend because it's actually a sniper that's calling this. The daily sniper trend controls the 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, 10 minute, and 5 minute buy stops or sell stops. So write that down, please. Oh, look, you guys are at 30. What do you know? The hourly sniper is so cool. Let's see, we have 30. We do. Okay, everyone stick over on TikTok. You guys will be okay. The hourly sniper trend, good morning, Shocking Life, controls the 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, and the 5 minute. And you can use it for the 5 minute. That's fine, but I like the faster time frames for the hourly. 3 minute, 1 minute, 30 second. We don't have a 15 second yet. We might code that in and take off the 5 minute. We'll see. But yeah. So that, hopefully, did everyone write that down? Yes or no? Did everyone understand that? Frejo, thank you, Modern Day. What's up, Manula? Today's go show basically the same thing, however, daily and 1 hour sniper coming down. The big difference, though, I think if you look at the 10 minute, 15 minute sniper, we're low. Right. You'd have to look. We can go to current, but we're not quite there yet. So there you go. And this is going to be made, it already is. What I'm teaching you right here is going to be made into these little arrows up and down. It's going to be the cutest thing on earth. Okay, so now that we have that in order, let's go back to our trade. So now that we have, and we want to go ahead and do the 5-minute daily then. That's what we're looking for. So if we go to the daily, it's a buy on the sniper. If we go to the 5-minute, it's a buy on the sniper. Now, according to the rules, you can do a market entry buy right here, hold it. You can wait for the actual buy stop to form and then take it. We're at 32. Excellent. Good job, guys. So we'll stay on TikTok and YouTube Live. Great job. All right. And then, of course, that buy. And it went right up, see it, to it, right up to the line. So there you go. So there it is. So that's how, and it's very important. And if someone writes in asking to go over one of these type of trade questions, we usually do it on our, we only do it on our advanced training like we had yesterday. But because this gentleman is such a good guy and a class act and just a good man, I decided to go ahead and he deserves to have the answers, you know, right now. So normally I don't do this, but because he's such a good fellow, I did it. And I figure it's a good, perfect learning opportunity for all of you. Now let me give you my complete analysis of this trade at that time, not current. I'm going to do gold at this time that he took the trade. Okay. So let's take a look. I'm just going to use this 5-minute at first so we have a rough idea. Here it is. Keep this all in mind of how things work. The signal service is calling out sell stops up here to the blue line. Here, sell. Another machine gun group of sell, 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 sell. And this is where he took the trade. Let's be clear on this. So we had machine gun signals once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And now he's looking for the 6th time. And there actually isn't any right here. So he could have made money once. When the first time a signal comes out on a 5-minute, you're supposed to take it. All these are just extra. He could have took it twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and been correct. He went to the well one too many times often on a 6. You know, obviously the market moves in 3s and 4s usually. But you're talking about the 6th time. Okay. Then there's some buys, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, this to me looks like we have a buy stop to the blue line on the 5-minute. Play any 15-second, 30-second, 1-minute, 3-minute, 5-minute buys to the 5-minute blue line. Anywho, so that's another thing. Now let's go ahead and go back to the 3-minute chart. Because if he's trying to play the 5-minute, he should go to the 3-minute, the 10-minute, the 15. He should look around to see, to validate what he would be seeing. The 3-minute chart. These are looking like buys at that time. This is back then, not current. The 1-minute charts. At the time, 100%. This was a buy stop to the blue line on a 1-minute time. The same time he's looking at the trade for a 5-minute entry for a sell, it's literally a 1-minute buy to the blue line. We can go down to the 30-second maybe. Sometimes they don't give it to us. They're very limited on the look back time on TradingView. It's the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Here you go. At the time of his trade, it literally, when he went in, was a buy stop on the 30-second. So there's a 30-second buy, the blue line, a 1-minute buy. In order of safety trades, what happens first? The 30-second safety trade, 1-minute safety trade, or the 5-minute, 15-minute safety trade? Which ones happen first? The 30-second, 1-minute, or the 5-minute, 15-minute? Correct, Annie Apple. Yay, Annie. So there is another huge issue I would have for the trade that was called. And again, we're just pointing out how to read the charts for him so he can see this better in the future. It's for all of you. Correct, Bob. Jason, Greg, Jackson. What's up, Jackson? Flight 379, Joe Biga, D-Man, D-Nice, Botnator. Correct. Good job on screen recording it, not today. So that's the order. So if we're looking at these charts, I'm sure we can go down the 15-second and also see another buy. So I would be looking, if he wanted to do a 5-minute entry, good morning, Jackson. I would literally be looking at, for a 5-minute entry, I would absolutely be popping into the 15-second, which I don't know how that would work because we're pressing our luck going back this far. Well, so far it looks like we haven't run out of memory. You'll be shocked at how quick you run out of memory here. There we go. At the time, it was a directly on top of, as he was looking for a sell, a 15-second buy, a 30-second buy, a 1-minute buy. So to the blue line on all three, I might add, which is the worst case scenario for a sell. So yeah, so this is showing me if I was going to whip through this 15-second buy stop at the time of gold, not right now. Well, it might be right now. I don't know. 30-second buy stop at the time of his trade. Buy stop to the blue line at the time of his trade. 1 minute, literally on top of 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute buy stop to the 1 minute blue line. Directly buy stops, all of them. 3 minute, it can't be a sell, so it was a neutral. 5 minute at the time, could have been a sell stop, but it was a buy stop on the sniper. 10 minute. Again, the only thing you can call in a 10-minute is the buy because of the sniper. 15-minute buy again, nothing else you can call. 30-minute. The only thing you can call is a 30-minute buy. 1 hour, depending on how you read the 1 hour sniper, because you guys don't know enough yet when it all turns red what that means. That just means a higher time frame buy, which would be a 4 hour probably. But I don't want to get into that with y'all. But anyway, this can be considered a sell on the sniper on the 1 hour. Could be. Actually, it's probably still going to end up being. This looks like a ricochet down to the blue line, but that's way too early. Again, his issue was he was jumping in too early. 2 hour, buy stop only. 3 hour, buy stop only. 4 hour, buy stop only. There's your buy. Let's go. Well, we can skip that. But 12 hour, literally at the time of his trade, was a buy stop only. Daily, which is what it's supposed to be running off. Buy stop sniper only, fill in the gap only from the 12 hour. So that's how I would interpret his trade at the time he took it. It was literally a 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute buy, 3 minute buy, 5 minute could have been a sell, except the sniper was a buy, 10-minute buy, 15-minute buy, 30-minute got a little iffy. It always does on the 30-minute, and the 1 hour could have been misinterpreted. But again, you can't have the 1 hour sell if the 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, and 3 minutes are all buys. You just can't do it. So he should, in the future, hopefully, match up the 5 minute to the 1 hour. The 1 hour was a buy, 2 hour buy, 3 hour buy, 4 hour buy, daily, 12 hour buy, daily buy. So that's how I would have interpreted it for him. Did all that, everything I went over, help explain it to you? Because we can go ahead and do the current time now, actually. Sevens, if that made sense to you, the explanation of how I'd read those charts for him at the time. So if you're focused in on one chart time, 5 minute only, 5 minute only, that's not how the system works. It has to be paired with either a higher or lower time frame. If he went to the daily, it was a buy. If he went to the 30-second, 15-second, 1 minute, it was a buy. So he couldn't have taken a 5 minute sell. Just trying to clear it up. All right. Should I make the call outs now? Not yet. I'm about to call out everything from, well, maybe not Bitcoin, Ethereum, NAS, US30, SPX, gold. I'm going to call those all out for you. So in other words, yes, you can see things. Yes, I could see gold is forming a daily fill in the gap buy stop right here. I could see it from a mile away, but it sure as hell doesn't mean there wouldn't be some sells before then. Look how many days it took the last time to do this fill in the gap right here. Is it going to go up? Yep. Is it going to go up in today? Don't know. But I do know that, I do know that it will fill in that gap, and we'll know about it way ahead of time. Okay. We want this one back on. Okay. All right. So all we're looking at right here, he was number one. You guys don't know SpongeBob, do you? If you had children back in the 90s, you know what the fuck SpongeBob was. He was number one. He did a cute little cartoon thing on that. Okay. All right. Clearly see right here. Clearly see fill in the gap forming, fill in the gap forming. Buy stop, daily, weekly. Buy stop. I mean, my personal opinion still has to go down a little bit further, but we'll see. Gold. I'll finish out gold for the readout for you guys. Always start at your 1 hour. Gold, 1 hour. 1 hour is nothing. Technically, it's a buy right here, but the blue line is dipping right now, so you have to go up to the higher time frame of the 4 hour to sell. So it's a 1 hour, 4 hour sell on gold. However, you can't have a sell on gold when it's a buy. So there's nothing we can call on that 4 hours. So now we have to go up to the next highest time frame, daily. So this is going to be a 4 hour. Yep. See the 4 hour low, daily high. 4 hour daily buy stop. I don't think it's low enough though. It can go up. I'm not arguing. I would prefer this pink line to come down to the bottom like it did here for the first time. Always the best. Second time, down to here for the third time. Still, it is what it is. You should have already been in the trade, bouncing off the yellow right here. You could already be in the money on gold, but whatever. So it is a 4 hour daily buy. It is a daily weekly buy. Looking downward in our time frame. 15-minute buy to the blue line. 10-minute buy to the blue line. 5-minute buy. Didn't I just call it 3 minute? Yeah. Yeah, there it is. So 3-minute buy to the blue line. There's your 5-minute buy. I guarantee I called that one. 5-minute buy to the blue line right now on gold. Then we can keep going down. 30-second. 1 minute was a buy back here. There's your buy stop with the proper down blue line. See, whenever you're going to trade a buy, broken back or not, here's another good little tidbit for you guys to remember, also in the rules. The blue line has to be down low with it. So let me show you what I mean. This inside of here, you need to have the sniper low. Then you can have your green, 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 red broken back buy to the blue line 1 minute. See how it looks? Take a picture of it. I do this 1,000 times. So in other words, watch. You can't see the future at all. The only thing that can see the future accurately near 100% of the time is the system right here. Look at it. So when you see this setup, take a picture of this over and over again. Blue line, low. Green, 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 red. Even the broken box is a 1 million. I'm not going to get into that with you, but it's a huge important thing. And then right to the blue line. There she goes. This is the 1 minute. You would confirm this either with the hourly. You can confirm it with a 5 minute. You can confirm it with the 15 minute. I prefer on the 1 minute to do the hourly and confirm. That's how I would look at this trade. The 1 minute to the hourly. You can do 3 minute. You can do 5 minute. 30 second. Again, there's no buy stop. We come right to here inside of here. You can see here on the 30 second, properly blue low, green, 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 red, buy stop, boom. And then there she is on the 30 second. You can go down to the 15 second. Here's the 15 second proper. In other words, don't take any old buy stop. If you have, and you should all have the sniper will drop the blue line low with this when it's proper. Green, 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 red, first time's the best, blah, blah, blah. You can see it. Even on this one, you see it? Here's a whole bunch where it goes down a little. This comes down a good bit. This would be called actually by the signal service. This one's halfway. Buy stop 15 second. Buy stop 15 second. You see how it looks? The blues drop down with it. It's a huge confirmation with the broken Bach and so on. So that's the 30 second. So let's go ahead. So currently, let's take a look at what's happening. Currently, it's forming a 15 second fill in the gap buy stop on gold. Currently, yeah, so it's going to even be lower. It's going to come down lower now. It's going to form a 30 second buy stop. It's coming down to do that. 1 minute, it's going to form. And again, you guys are a little late to the party. The 3 minute, the 5 minute, the 10 minute. Do we not hit the 10 minute line? No. So play any 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 3 minute buy stops to the 5 minute. Well, it already hit it. Let me draw out what it's going to do for it. It's going to ricochet now. It's going to come up here like this, hook, come back down, hook, and that's what it's going to do. So that's gold. So you can play that little hook up. I wouldn't play that movement down. 10 minute. Play any 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute buy stop to the 10 minute blue line. 15 minute. Maybe. 30 minute. Yes. 30 minutes is your transitional time. If you're going to get stuck in something, it'll be in the 30 minute, 1 hour, 1 hour, 2 hour sell, 1 hour, 2 hour sell stop. Four hour buy, 12-hour buy, daily buy, daily, weekly buy, gold. See, this is what the only concern I have is it's already blew its wad on the weekly, so to speak. I would like this to come back down and reshoot again. So that's just me. I'm really conservative when it comes to these trades. If it doesn't match up on the higher time frames, like these first timers, when it says this will be a buy stop right here on a daily, weekly, I'm sure it was. Yeah. So it'll be a buy stop on a daily, weekly. I can turn these on if you want, but hold on, let me pull this over. I think we have these on over here. So the very first time this happened, right here, you're going to see a day. Look at that. There it is. This daily 4 hour and the 4 hour, 1 hour. When these things are called, you guys got to take them. This thing right here, when it's called, look at it. Look at the greatness of this call. Let me turn off this faster time frames for you because you're going to get confused at what you're seeing. There. Oh, hold on. Let me do this then. We can show it for the. Yeah, we can show it on the smaller time frames. That's fine. Okay. All right. So when you see this daily 4-hour called, it's a market order, by the way, when you see that. It's in the rules. Look where it's at. You could have rode gold from 21.66, $300, $250 an ounce. Mine has already started its climb to the top. Is it too late to enter? Can you continue? Shocking life. Well, see right here, it has not. By starting to do what? So you're asking on the daily 4-hour or the daily time, can you enter the trade? I just called out the trades for you, what you can do. So yes, this will ultimately fill in the gap. The green histogram bar will go up to this yellow or past it, and preferably a lot past it. The only difference is this isn't low enough. So I don't see where you see the climb up. I don't know what you mean on that, shocking life. Mine has not, and if mine hasn't done it, yours hasn't done it. They're the same exact. Everyone has the same exact. My indicators that you guys see on here are the ones we share with you, other than the ones we're testing that we're currently creating. But these DH4s are all done. So yeah, I called gold very, very specifically. I'd follow those specifics. Okay. Look at, tell me when gold was at 1900, when gold was at basically 2000, from 2000 up, no one on earth, they were all saying, I have family that's in the business of finance. I'm just not going to get into that. I was being told everywhere on TikToks, everywhere else, gold's at 2000, gold's at 2100, it can't go up. It can't. Well, the system was telling you over and over and over and over again, buy, stop, buy, stop, buy, stop, buy, stop on gold. Look at it. There's red on the down where it should be going down, green on the ups. Look at it. These are all, see what you're seeing is, and again, there's no offense taken, no offense meant, so please just bear with me. What you're seeing is the rules being coded in to trading with no emotions. So why the signal service works so spectacular as it does, there is no emotions. Oh, it's too high. I might lose. No. What you're seeing is all these green lines being correct, probably 20, 30 of them, telling you over and over and over again to buy. Buy, 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 buy. Is correct because it's following my order of operations coded by the great Keith Palmer. And this is what you get. Perfection. No missed calls in here. There's no red in here. Where there's red right here, or orange, depending on which one's firing. It is the correct call to go down. When they're green, they all go up. Look at it. This is real life. This isn't me pre-coding something. This is just what the fuck flies open when you're trading. And it's called out live. And these are all beforehand. Shocking life, I meant the blue line, sorry. Or can you continue going flattens out? Mine has already started. The blue line on the daily. The daily blue line is flat. It's not the daily that we talk about. It's the pink coming up. So for instance, on this daily, right here. See this call out right here? Holy shit, it's perfection. Do you think we should only use sniper because there's too much other stuff on the chart? Absolutely not. Everything works as one. 100%, you just don't. The sniper, when it's calling for a buy and you see this is a sell, it won't work. When you can clearly see this is a buy and the sniper is low, well, why would it be calling for a sell right here? It can't. That's when you go up to your next highest time frame, which you have to do anyways. And if you do that, you'll see that this is a buy. No, they all work together. It's the easiest thing on earth. It's not too much. It's not too, see, there's your buy, and there's your first one. And there it is. So that's how you use it. There's rules. For the love of God, I don't understand people. There's rules. There's an order of operation. And if I can code it, get the great Keith, the man, the myth, the legend, to code my order of operations with near 100% accuracy, you guys can learn it as humans. If you don't want to take all that other stuff in, then no, I would buy the signal service and let the signals call out the trades for you, and you just look at it and go, oh yeah, this daily 4 hours calling for is correct. 100% correct. You can clearly see it's 100% correct, and they won't be wrong. So again, no, I wouldn't turn everything off. I would either learn how to trade it myself, which is extremely easy. I can go over it again and again and again with you guys. Matter of fact, let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and read out the rest of these signals for you. Let's go ahead and do that. So that was gold. We're going to go to oil. All right, we're going to start at the 1 hour. So how I look at anything is off the 1 hour. The very first thing that hits me is there's a 1 hour, 10-minute buy. And it's already been accurate, and it's going to go to the blue line. You see right here, you guys under the old system wouldn't be able to read this. It looks like a buy, it looks like a sell, but this is a buy on the sniper. The signal service is following my rules. The signal service is called to buy, and you're already in the money on oil. You can clearly see, look, the 1 hour, how cute. So this is a 1 hour, 10-minute buy. So we can go down to the 10-minute and take a look at it and see what it looks like at the 10-minute level. There it is. There it is. Look how fucking cool that shit is. Wow, buy the fucking system. Look at it. There it is. Boom, green, 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 red, buy stop, called out by the signal service. Here's your 3-minute one. There's faster ones you can use. We're now getting that coded in as you speak. You could have did a market order right here, called it out perfectly. You'd have been in the money on oil. Again, why? Because this is following the rules. So if we go down to the 3-minute, right? We go down to 3-minute to see what it was seeing. Boom, there it is. Blue line low, green, 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 red, broken back, buy stop. Is that not the fucking coolest thing you've ever seen in your life? I swear, once you guys understand the signal service and you get this put on your charts, because everything you see here will be eventually on your charts by the second week of July at the latest. For $350 a month, you get them put on your charts, right? That's insanity what you're looking at. You're looking at, I don't know how to tell you. You're looking at history. This is a 3-minute. So in other words, when you see this trade right here, we have a 1 hour buy that's in effect. So what you guys are going to be able to do in the future is trade arrow to arrow. You'll match up your arrows. If it's up, see right here, the 1 hour is up. If the 3-minute gets called, which it will in your room, it gets called in the room. I guarantee this is in your, well, the 3-minute might not, but it will be eventually in your Discord room. Or if you have the system, look, you'll go arrow to arrow, green up, green up. If you don't have colors because you're colorblind, you just know what a fucking up arrow is, and you'll see an up arrow. And there it is. Why is the box so important? because the broken Bach is 1 million yeses, because it's that important of an indicator. Matter of fact, the Bach is nothing more than the blue lines on your sniper broken out so you can see it easier. I never teach you guys that, but the Bach is the most important indicator ever made. I will stick with that, period. And it's nothing more than these blue lines separated for you. So when you see on the 3 minute, the Bach is broken. If you go up to the 1 hour, well, depending on what trade we're doing, but if you're doing a 5 minute, 1 hour, the 1 hour will be unbroken. Meaning it's showing you that it was an incorrect trade. This is 100% accurate trade. See, when you take the signal services, it takes the fact that the sniper rules, right? Number one. It takes the fact, is this a buy? It takes the fact, is this a broken Bach? Everything that is in the rules, the order of operations that I give you in the rules, it takes into the signal service and makes it. When you look over to here and you see the H1 is high, up. So this is your sniper trend line. This is actually your machine gun Hydra sniper trend line, trend arrow buy. And all you have to do is match up. When the 3 minute was called out, you'll see the 3 minute arrow pop up on your screen. My God, if you guys can't trade arrow to fucking arrow, I don't know what to tell you. Good morning, Dr. McCain. Just going over the new signal service, Doc. You're going to love that shit. The signal service is switching. It's still going to have the rooms. Everyone still has the rooms. Tier 1, Tier 2 have the rooms. We've doubled the Tier 2 and Tier 1 signals from 5 to 10 and 10 to 20 appropriately. And then what you're going to have on your charts come July, second week of July or before, is going to be these little arrows. And all you have to do is match up an arrow. And it will work. And it will work 8 out of 10 times, or I'll have it recoded so it does work, or I'll take that symbol off. But I've never seen it miss. It's going to always work. It's just the way it is. It cannot miss. I mean, God can do whatever he wants, so I give it a 9 out of 10. 99%, 90% of the time it will win, period. And I think it's going to be closer to 99, and I think it's going to be 100%. But whatever, it's going to win. And all you guys have to do, if you're paying the $350 a month, you don't have to. I don't give 2 fucks if you do or you don't. But if you do, just match up the fucking arrows. I swear. All of my trading has been coded in by the great Keith Palmer. Amazing man, good man. His coding is second to none. He's made it so that you guys can match up arrow to arrow. So for instance, let me be clear. If you see a green up 1 hour, that's the master one, and it's a 3 minute red, you don't take the fucking down arrow. You only match it up when it's a buy. I know this is killing me. Someone said it was coloring or trading by crayons or something. Yes, I analyze NAS 100. Morning, NAS up 950 again. Thank you, Coach. Nice, Robel. Have a great day. Robel used to be on all the time. Now Robel, just out of respect, he makes all his money. A lot of the people, they make their money and then they don't come back. What names do I have called the arrows? No, John, because they're technically the machine gun Hydra trend arrows. So I don't know what the fuck to call that. After the Kev, after the 350, do I still have to buy the course? Well, you have to. The first thing you have to do is buy the system. I'm working on. Let me be clear. It's a hesitant question to answer this because I'm working on a way for you guys to pay basically $700 a month, $800 a month, something like that, and you don't have to buy anything. I'm going to allow people just to buy the signal service, but I don't know what price point that's going to be at. As it is, you have to buy the system. I'm on with. Aww, precious. All right, hold on. I'll be right back. Give me just 1 second, guys. All right. And I'll go over the answer to that. And right now you have to buy the whole entire, you have to pay your monthlies. So, but I'll be right back. That was fucking great. Yay. Tell you what, I blocked enough of time. 70 minutes. All right, I'm back. 30-second thing. Where's Pete? Pete's having some fun. Pete's taking a vacation. I'll finish the counts this week and look in and spent the whole month just passing challenges. Thomas, nice, Thomas. I bet you Thomas passed 100 of them. Thomas working towards 1 million in funding. Nice, Thomas. Congratulations. I've made my $4,000 for the day already. Hope everyone's doing well. Nice, Thomas. Thomas. Good morning, Kim the Candle Envy Lady. Good morning, Azar. How you been, Azar? What's up, Filio? Good morning. 1 million in funding. The most I know with funding is Tommy. He has two. Hold on a second. No, that's not true. How much are Tommy's big accounts, funded accounts? I forgot what he had. I don't want to misspeak. Never mind. $1 million in funding. Nice. All right. I'm going to go spend that money. Nice. Thomas, Remember, you promised for me and Bree to be able to fly. What, one time a year? I don't want to take any more than that. I figure one time a year, if Thomas lets us take a little flight to maybe Hawaii or something, one time a year, that'd be awesome, Thomas. Poor Thomas. It's like, yeah. What's up, D-Hoss? Thomas Arnon is getting up the money to open up his own private jet company where he rents out his jets to do it. $4,000 a day. Damn, that's fucking a lot. You're doing fantastic, Thomas. Congratulations, my friend. Azar, I hope you and your cousin. I forgot what his cousin is doing good. Charter operations. Thomas says I haven't forgotten. All right. Let's go ahead and whip through a few of these symbols. Well, I won't even whip through them. I'll go through slowly so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay. All right, let's get back to oil. Oh, I think I called out oil. Did I not call out oil ad nauseum? I think I did. All right. ERUSD. Everything I call out for ERUSD is the complete opposite for a Udashef. Fill in the gap, buy, stop. Already done it once, twice, third time. It's going to hook down and reset. All right. 1 hour. So let's go up to the 4 hours, see what we see. 4 hours, a 4 hour daily, 4 hour daily. And there it is. Buy, stop. Any 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 7 hour, 12 hour, till the daily blue line. Buy, stop. Okay. And then after that, ooh, can it go up much higher though? I don't know, maybe. After that, weekly, monthly sell stop, EURUSD. Now, if you want me to go down to some specifics for you, 30-minute fill in the gap's already happened. 15-minute buy stop would be right here. Let me be clear. This is how you can call this shit out so fucking accurately. This thing right here, right, is going to be the 15-minute buy. You see it? 15-minute buy, 30-minute fill in the gap, and there it is on your 1 hour. It's also semi-fill in the gap. That's it. Now, if we go back to here, somewhere right around there, you're going to see the 30-minute fill in the gap, the 15-minute buy stop. There's probably going to be a 10-minute buy stop. Yep, 10-minute, and then you'll see a 5-minute broken Bach buy stop. See, there's your broken Bach right there, this red thing. And there it is with your first line, and there it is. And that's how you'd read that. So, yes, you can go forward or backwards with this. Is 100% accuracy. That's why the haters, whenever I ask someone to come in and debate me on my system, good luck on that. It doesn't work. They just can't. There's nothing they can do. So this right here is a 5-minute buy, 5-minute, 10-minute fill in the gap, 15-minute fill in the gap. Personally, I don't think it's low enough. 30-minute and 1 hour. So it's a 30 minutes. This is a 5-minute. This is a 10-minute. This is a 10-minute, 15-minute buy. So technically, that's what you're looking at. Thomas, I'm looking for older G5s and G550s with refurnishing and engine maintenance management plans. Costs about $25,000 out of pocket for the payment, insurance, hangar maintenance, and pilots here. Challenger 300s as well, and Challenger 604s. I'm so glad you know your planes. I have no idea what you're talking about. Is there like a G6? Can you guys fly? It won't be a tiny jet. It will be big. Nice, Thomas. I'm so proud of Thomas. Couldn't be prouder of him. Couldn't be happier for him. Congratulations, my friend. Way to fucking kick ass. Stick with your goals and get there. That's fantastic. Oops, let me get rid of this. Hold on. Thomas is kicking ass. So that's your ERUSD. Yeah, we can go down even further. G650 and G650R. The G6. Remember that song? G6. Forming. ERUSD forming. (15-second, 30-second). 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Forming a 3-minute, 5-minute, 5-minute, 10-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute buy stop. That's why I said I think this needs to dip a little lower and then hook up for ERUSD, but whatever. Thank you, Thomas, for sharing your success. Is very much appreciated. GBB JPY, 1 hour. Very high. Please keep us posted too, Thomas. What's smoking behind? That's got to be Shash. What's up, Shash? God bless you, sir. God bless each and every one of you, by the way. GBB JPY, 1 hour. It's low. Sniper. Filling the gaps already happened. Filling the gap. Remember yesterday when I told you this was going to go up? That's where that purple line was from. Hold on. Yep. So that purple line from the time I told you it was going to be a buy, look at it. Went straight up, just so we're clear on that. All right. Now, the 1 hour is low. So now we have to go up to the 4 hour to determine if this is high or not. It is. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop, GBB JPY. This thing never stops going the fuck up. I swear in all its holy. Never stops going up. I've been calling GBB JPY buy for, hell, I bet you it's been 8-10 months, maybe more. Focus on 1 minute, 5 minute charts and ignore the rest. AP, what's up, AP? For intraday trading, can we focus on only 1 minute and 5 minute charts? You can focus on anything you want, but you better master it. Everyone that buys the system needs to start off with the 15-minute 1 hours, then work their way over to the 1 minute, 15 seconds, that type of trade. So can you focus in on it? Yes. Do you need to start that way? 100% fucking no. Oh, if I was going to do that, I'd be using only the fast signal service at that point. The 1 hours. Oh, that's what I would be doing. All right, so it is a 1 hour, 4 hour buy, GBB JPY. You're going to see it probably on the 5 minute buy. Yeah, there's a 5 minute buy right here. So take a look. 5 minute buy. Kind of still hasn't done its thing. 3 minute, yeah. 3 minute buy. 1 minute buy. 15 seconds sell. Let me see what that is. Yeah, so 30 second. No, I would stick with those buys if I were you. Yeah, 30 second, 1 minute. It's a 30 second, 1 minute buy, 3 minute buy, 5 minute buy. Anyway, that's just GBB JPY. It's just what it fucking does. This thing literally, if you go back and look, has been going up literally. This is the first entrance you should have got into, would have been back here since 2021. Would have been your first buy-in. GBB JPY. Crazy what it does. Crazy what it does. Crazy what it does. There's your last buy-in right here. 2024, February 1st. You'd have been in. From here. And that would have been your in. Look how great. I mean, you just can't, whether you're doing the signals, whether you learn, whatever it is, it's psychotically accurate. And there's your daily 4 hour. Doesn't miss. Can't miss. Won't miss. Doesn't miss. Pop. Look at that. All right. So that's GBB JPY. Gold buy stop in the money 1 minute. Let's take a look at gold. Of course, baby. Yay. Thank you for letting me. Precious. All right, let's go to the 1 minute gold and see what's going on. There's a buy. Yeah, this is what it looks like. There's a buy, and it's out the 1 minute. And there you go. Buy, stop. Let's see if it's against the 3 minute buy, 1 minute, 3 minute buy, 1 minute, 5 minute buy. To let you see. Look, it's already late on the gold because you should have already been in that 30 minute. Here's a 1 hour. Here's a 2 hour. 2 hours still. 1 hour, 2 hour sell. 4 hour buy. There's your daily 4 hour buy. See, it calls this shit. The signal service calls this shit just like me. Look at it. Jesus, Fucking crazy. Daily 4 hour. There it is. Fill in the gap. On gold, planning 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 7 hour, 12 hour buy stop till the blue line has come back up in it. But again, this should be lower. I don't like this. This should be lower. It doesn't have to be. But for me to be a little more comfortable with it, this pink line should be down here. Then let the hook happen. But at any rate, fill in the gap. You'll see this green fill in this black space gap until the yellow line is hit, much like it did right here. See the space? And then it hit it. Will that be today? I don't fucking know. It could be fucking a week from now. It takes forever. The last time one of these was called, let's be specific here, you'd have been called in on this one right here, and it didn't make profit until here. 16 days later is when the last time this fill in the gap had formed and done it. So by the time this came down and over, now this time over here, it looked like it was maybe 3 days. You just never, first time is always the best. First time on the daily, this came up right here, which we have a counter to do that for you. You'd have gotten in here. You'd have made from gold $21.68 to whatever the hell it's at now, $200-300 an ounce. Excellent job, D-House. So that was gold. I'll get back to NAS, SPX, and US 30 in a second. US oil, ERUSD, GBP, JPY. Ethereum, let's see what she's doing. Gee whiz, Ethereum's going up. Fancy. I wonder who called that. One of our guys, Larry, has been in Ethereum, I think, for 700 pips, $700 an ounce. He's up right now on Ethereum. 500, 700, I think he said the last time was 700. And how did he do that? Well, I keep telling you guys, play any buy stops you can on Ethereum until it hits over 4,500, 4,300. Listen to me or don't. I don't give two fucks. Look at this on the, okay. You tell me, guys, this is the monthly Ethereum chart utilizing the signal service. The green means up. The red means there's a sell call out, sell signal. Then green means up. You tell me, these are all auto-generated through the order of operations coded by the great Keith Palmer. Buy stop, buy stop. You could have been buying Ethereum at $191 all over the fucking place. You could have been selling it when it was up here. There's your first sell. Then you could have been buying it again when Ethereum was at $2,000. That's Ethereum monthly using the signals. It called everything 100. You notice, by the way, look at this shit and be stunned and amazed. You notice, by the way, let me be clear, as clear it can be, that there is, look, buy stop, buy stop. There is no red lines because the signal service trades like me, not like me. Exactly like me, other than it can't handle the monthly weeklies itself yet. There's not enough history to code it. But look at it. It's doing your weekly dailies perfection. Look at it. Look at it. All of those 100% accurately up, 100% accurately down, 100% accurately up again. That is Ethereum with its call outs. Let's see if Bitcoin's the same way. There you go. 100% accurately up, 100% accurately down, 100% accurately up. I happen to make this call right here. Fucking thing beat me. I called this on March the 8th. It called the buy stop on February the 1st. So technically, the damn fucking signals are better than me. There it is. The sell on the 10-minute must have been an accurate sell. I don't know. We'd have to go there and look. But look at this shit. Look at the correct signal calls all the way up, on the way down. Look at this signal call for the sell right here. This is at Saturday the 1st, the 22nd, and look at it drop. Here's your first buy signal. The signal service is psychotically. Why? Because there's no emotions. It just trades. Here it is on XRP. Up. A little down. Up again. There's a 10-minute down. First of all, these 10 minutes shouldn't even be active on here. These shouldn't be active on the higher time frames. Let's take those off and hit OK. Now maybe we can do it. Oh, we can't do it. I'm sorry, because it still has to show the, I'll have to go down to the, see, I can't do it. So I'll have to reactivate that one. Sorry. It's because of the way that the code is, it reads from the 15-second on up. So it can't read down. It can only read up, if that makes sense. Hold on. This one right here. Nope. This one right here. Nope. What the fuck was I just using? There we go. Let's see if we can get that to flip back on. If I can't, well, I don't want them on anyways. But the point is that it's fucking accurate as shit. It is too fucking accurate is what you're looking at. What's up, George? What's up, Neville? Been in since 3200. So Larry's been in Ethereum since 3200. Right about here. Look at that shit. Now it's up. Yeah. What's it at, Larry? What is that at 30? I don't even know where it's at. 3,800, 3,900? Somewhere around there. Larry, I'm so proud of you, my friend. Fantastic job. All right, what time is it? Shit, 9:10. All right, so that's Ethereum. XRP, buy it. Just buy XRP. You do what you want. I'm not a financial analyst or advisor. I've been in XRP since 31 cents a share. And buy Amazon too. I've been in that since $92 or $93 a share. Anywho, all right, let's go back and take a look at our handy dandy scanner. All right, looks like we have a little flip here. Let's take a look. We have US 30 red, red, red. Now we have NAS red, red, and we have SPX red, red. Yay, get to take care of your mom. Yeah, I didn't want to ask about it, Thomas. Ask about her, but that's great. You get to spend all the time with her. I had no idea about lung transplants, and Thomas taught me a lot on that. So hopefully she's doing good. I hope she's doing some Wim Hof breathing techniques, please, with oxygen therapy while she does those 3 times a day. But I'm not a doctor, but Thomas, telling you I would. If it wasn't for the system, I'd be. There you go. Yep. Oh, yeah. Every moment you can spend with your mom, Thomas. I lost mine just, well, gee whiz, 2.5 years ago now. Wow. But anywho, I hope you have dozens more years. I hope you have 20, 30 more years with your mom. More. All right, I'm going to look at US 30, NAS, and SPX. I'm going to check this to see, but I would expect fully a 3-minute sell, 15-second, 30-second, 1-minute, 3-minute sells to the 3-minute blue lines of NAS and SPX. But let's take a look real quick because I don't know how this is looking. Yeah, thank you, Thomas. And to you too. Blessings to you and your mom. All right, 3-minute. Let's take a look. Sell. Oh, that's US 30. Yep. Play any 15-second, 30-second sell stop for NAS or SPX to the 3-minute blue line of either. Okay? So NAS, SPX, US 30 sell stop to the 3-minute blue line of SPX or NAS, either one. Good morning, Jacob. Good morning, Blue Tide Acrylics. Okay. Now, after that, 5-minute, 10-minute buy, 15-minute. Ooh, that 1 hour is a fucking mess. Sell. Buy. 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily buy stop SPX. 4 hour daily buy stop. Is it 4 hour though? No. 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 4 hour. It's not a 4 hour daily on NAS. Hold on. 15-minute. 15-minute buy stop. 15-minute, 2-hour buy stop. NAS, US 30, 4-hour, 12-hour, 12-hour daily buy stop, US 30. You can put your buy stop line right where I have it. And there you go. Short-term sells, all three indices, if you want to play them. If you don't want to play, it's kind of been played out, quite frankly. But if you want to play these sells, play them. If you don't want to play the sells, then wait for those longer-term buys. I still very much like, whether it goes down and hits it or not, I don't know. 3-minute, 15-second, 30-second, 1-minute sell stops. Any of them that pop up, play those. SPX, NAS, and US 30 to the NAS/SPX 3-minute blue line. Guerrero, Blue Tide, can I send you a DM about an acrylic tank? Absolutely, Thomas. He's fantastic. Does the best work out there. Oh, shit. No, I don't want to log in. Damn on it. Hold on 1 second, guys. That's funny. Oh my God. That is so fucking funny. All right. What time is it? 9:18. Just a few more minutes. All right. I love to build a 500-gallon tank system. Damn, 500-gallon? Woo! What area would we enter the buy stop in? I don't know what he's asking. Let's take a look. We need to look at, he wants a buy stop. Let's take a look. I would enter in off of the buy stop. I would enter in off of, where's all my shit at? Why isn't it popping in? What the? Gee whiz, is that fucking slow as molasses? The rules state where to enter in, Guerrero, if you have them. Put a buy stop up here at the yellow, 18,862.4, 15-minute line. Or if you don't want to put a buy stop in there, put it on the 30-minute, 18,856.8 on the 30-minute. If you don't want to enter there, you're too late to do the bounce off the 1 hour. If you don't want to enter there, you're too late to go off of the 3 hour, the 4 hour. You're too late to go off the 4 hour. Daily, no entrance. See, to me, this is too far away on the daily, but whatever. That's your buy for NAS. Follow the fucking rules. Let's go down to the fucking 1 hour. It annoys me. See, I love answering questions. It annoys me when people either don't have the system, which I think he does, but why doesn't he follow the rules where it says when the fucking enter the trade? Here's your trade. Gold, 1 hour. Gold, 15-minute or lower. Then verify. Perfect safe trade shed. Look for the action minute buy stop by going here and doing this. What is a Bach break? Trade entry, demo only. Wait for this half circle to form. Then enter off of the 15-minute or enter off of the 5-minute or enter off of, and it tells you what to do. It tells you about the runners. Not only does it do there, it says trade entry and take profit. Here's your trade entries. It tells you exactly what to do. Take the lowest of them one. Wait for the half circle. Make sure it's on the thing. Extremely important. Take profit about how much to take. Open up 2. Let 1 run. Am I not clear in my rules? Guerrero, am I not clear on what the fuck to do in my rules? But whatever. So for SPX, buy stop. If he's asking for the buys, if you want to do the sells, you should have already been in those. Not a 5-minute, not a 10-minute. 10-minute buy. 10-minute buy? 15-minute buy. 15. I would enter off the, thank you, Thomas. I would enter off the yellow line or above this little movement right here and do it. Yeah, learn by going over your rules 100 times in a day, Guerrero. Learn by going over your training video you had with me, if you had one. If you haven't, that explains it. Go over, and it tells you in your training video. It tells you in your rules what to do. There's videos in every one of these. Watch the videos, okay? How to exactly take a signal, it's in a video. M's and W's and trading rules, it's all right here. And these are all recorded on YouTube. Go back and watch the YouTube ones. It tells you where to enter. It tells you where to put your stop loss. If I was looking at this 15-minute, it came down, right? Pivoted and came up. If it comes up and my buy stop is right here, then my stop loss goes right here. Can't be any clearer. Yeah, it does take a while. That is true. But there's no reason you should come on here, Guaralino, and say, Kev, I want to put my entrance in on the 15-minute SPX, and I want to put it in at 5,313. Is that a good idea, Kev? And I would say, that's a very good idea, Guaralino. That's a very good idea. Good morning, Don't Cast Stones. You should say, Kev, I'm thinking about entering a NAS on the, but we can't do a 4-hour. I'm thinking about entering a NAS on the 1 hour. I'm thinking about entering the, well, you can't even do that because you missed your bounce. I'm thinking about entering a NAS on NAS at 18,806.1. Is that proper, Kev? You think I should enter there? I would say that's a very good idea, Guaralino. That's what you should do. Even if you said, should I enter here at 18,842? I'd say, no, that's probably not a good idea on the 15-minute because you missed it. Or should I enter here at 18,893? I'd say, no, that's a little far away for entry on that one. Okay? Just like the gold. We went over a 5-minute gold. Look at gold. Who called gold to the Who called gold to the buy for the 3-minute, for the 1-minute blue line? Who called gold? Damn, I didn't think it was going to go this quick, but damn did it. Look at that shit. Somebody made money out there. Come on. Somebody made money out there. Somebody made money on gold. Be careful. Always be careful with those 3 minutes. Sell stop, by the way. See, this is why I didn't like gold. The gold pink line isn't as low as it should be, but fuck it. It's bouncing off its data. That's what I wanted him to see on that NAS and SPX. Bouncing off this this yellow line right here. That's what you can play. You can enter in this buy stop. See how it did the half moon off of the yellow right here. Again, I'm not thrilled with it because it didn't come all the way down. But let's take a look at that something right here. Let's take a look in a book. Reading Rainbow, I can trade anything. It's in a book. It's in a schmook. I can trade anything. Why is it not showing? There we go. Now let's take a look. All right. Let's see something, shall we? There we go. All right. Now, what you're looking at is gold. So just because I didn't like gold doesn't mean the signal service didn't call out gold properly. You have to be on the right time frame for it to make its calls. 30-second buy, 1 hour, 5-minute buy. I told you those daily 4-hour buys are deadly. They're unstoppable. They're uncannily good. All my signals are good, but these daily 4 hours, daily 1 hours, those 4-hour, 1 hour, they're just exceptionally good calls. So if we come over to here and we look, this is a, what was this one? Shit. This was the daily 4-hour. So the daily 4 hours, so we'll go over to the 4-hour and look. And there is your daily 4-hour buy. And that's what it called. Amazingly accurate. I don't understand how good it is. I mean, I shock myself on these calls. But these daily 4 hours, even though I didn't like the call, according to the rules, you should have entered that trade and made money on the daily 4 hours. Yep. Cashing in on gold, having the call with you. I'm waiting to get some days off so I can schedule. That would explain your situation, Guerrero. Yeah, that would explain that. And here's a good video for you to go watch. How to exactly analyze a safety trade system chart. This is unbelievably good. I always make great ones, let's be clear. Oh shit, it's almost time for open. Fuck. But that's unbelievably good. I go there, type in how to exactly analyze a safety trade system chart, and then do it. Because that's how you do it. And look at that fucking call. Or just get the signal service and let it make the correct call for you over and over and over fucking again. It's unbelievable. Gold flying off machine gun. Yep. XPST. Yep. Oh, good. XPST too. Okay. Kim, you made money. Yay. Cash in gold. Jackson, Andre. Yay. Nice. Boom. Daily 4 for me, like the golden trade. I know it is. It's just crazy how accurate those fucking the daily 4 hours, or even when you can do a 4 hour, 1 hour, but those daily 4 hours. Here as well, Kev. Good morning. What's up, Fidge? Cat making money. Awesome job. All right. Okay. We got to get folks in now. I'm going to pass on any gold plays. It's too late. You've already should have been in that trade or not. I'm not calling it anymore. So we're going to go and look at our, we're going to go. We only have fucking 4 minutes to market open. Cheese, fucking pizza. All right. Here we go. 15-second US 30. This is going to be for market open calls. Sell. 30-second. Sell. 1 minute. Sell. 3 minute. Is it up high enough? It needs to hook back up a little bit more to call it out. See, you already would have made money on those. See the sells right here? Sell. 5 minute. 10 minute. Sell. 30 minute. 3 minute. 30 minute. 1 hour. 1 hour. Sell. All right. So US 30. Did it go back down to the blue line? Is that a blue line touch? Why didn't someone say that? Look. Damn, that's fucking close. We almost have the blue line touched. Oh my gosh, that's so fucking close. US 30. I mean, for the open, fuck. I hope for a pull. Okay, US 30. I hope it pulls back up. Let me show you. I'm going to draw it like this and do this. Let's see if we can get this. If we can get this at open, it'd be nice. Oh, shit. 3 minutes to market open. I got to get past the other ones. All right. Wait for a pullback on US 30. Here we go. Wait for it to pull up, hook up, and then take the trade back down again. That's what I'm waiting for US 30. NAS, 15, buy, 10, buy, NAS, buy to the 15, buy to the 30-second blue line. Damn, fuck, shit. 3 minute, 1 minute. It's already at the 1 minute to the 3 minute. So it's already at the 1 minute. Is that correct? It's flipped. It did. NAS. 15-second, 30-second buy stop. Let it pull up, just like I said. Then look for a sell. Let this pull up. Let NAS pull up. Then look for a 3 minute sell on NAS. SPX. Let's see. It's going to be the same thing. 30-second buy. It's already over the 1 minute. 3 minute. It's already over the 3 minute. What the fuck? This is SPX. SPX still not there. Let me go back to the 1 minute. No, SPX is over its fucking 1 minute line. 1 minute and 3 minute. 1 minute, 3 minute. Buy. Okay. SPX and NAS are opposite of US 30. Buy stop 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute. Please don't trade the market open unless you absolutely know the system. Then trade the market open. Lock in your profits. I have 4 trades open, I think. Lock in your profits on every trade. Then at which point, don't trade market open. If you're going to trade with me, move fast and furious. And I'm going to be calling them out fast, okay? Nice, Guerrillo. $600 on closed gold. Nice, Guerrillo. Congratulations. All right. So here we go. We're going to go back and forth between NAS and then US 30. NAS and US 30. Damn, it didn't arch up on US 30. There's nothing we can do. All right. Here we go. I love the market open. Let it pull back up so we can make a call out on this. We want US 30 to arch up. We want NAS to come down a little bit so that we can get back in. Sell stop NAS 3 minute. Buy stop NAS 30-second. I like this 30-second buy. This is where I'd be putting this in at. Put it in right here and wait. US 30, nothing we can do. It's just going down. It didn't arch up. You're too late on US 30. There's nothing you can do. If the market opens and yanks this up, that'll be great. I'll get back in. Buy, stop, NAS. Nothing we can do on US 30. Got to let it pull back up. Market open, move fast, move furious. Don't get caught in anything. NAS, market open, market open, market open. There goes US 30 down. There's nothing we can do. Those little bitch ass. You could have sold your NAS buy. You could sell that, get rid of it. No need to hold. It's already made money twice. You can get out of that NAS trade. You don't have to stay in it. US 30, nothing we can do. Fuck US 30. Fuck US 30. Either you're in the sell or you're not. I do believe I have one sell open on that. Hold on. I do. I have a sell on. Hold on. A sell on US 30. Hold on. I'll pull that up. SPX. Nothing you can do. Buy, stop, SPX. You can place it off of here. Buy, stop, SPX 30 second. Sell, stop, SPX 3 minute. You're in the money on that NAS. Again, you can close that trade down if you want. Feel free. It went up and touched its blue line. I can't watch every chart at the same time, so you could close that trade down when it hit up there. That'd be fine. US 30, there's nothing you can do. Either you're in that trade from earlier or you're not. I've been in that trade for a few days now. There's NAS to the blue line again. You can close your buy, stop down. You're in the money on your NAS. You're in the money on your NAS. Close the trade down. It hit its blue line on the 32nd. Here is my trade for US 30 sell. And that's my buy on NAS. I've been in that buy for a while, actually. And there's my sell. You can take those trades out if you want. There it is. There's your buy. Wow, buy the fucking system. There's your buy. That was my inline. Again, I'm not trading on TradingView. I have MetaTrader 4s open, Eagle FX, and Hugo's Way. You're in the money a shit ton. Look at that fucking trade. I love this system. There it is. You're up 16 pips. There it is. You're up 16 pips like that. You could have done it on SPX too. I didn't like XPS as much. It was too close. There's your buy stop. There's your sniper buy stop, 32nd. There it is to the blue line. You can get out of that trade. Here's your sells. I couldn't have got you in on the US 30. I was hoping for a pullback. It didn't do it. There's your NAS buy. Buy the system. It's made for beginners. Look, oh, it's going down again. Buy again. Just do it again. All right. You can see these just flip back over again. Okay, got to go. All right, TikTokers. God bless you. Hope made some money on those call outs. Feel free to take those trades or not. Up to you. I'm not here to enforce anything. Have a good day. God bless you all. Probably won't be on later today. God bless you on TikTok. See ya. YouTubers. Any questions before I go on YouTube? You guys just made a shit ton of money off that NAS call. Yay. Yay, yay, yay. Okay. There you go. NAS, SPX, all doing perfect. US 30 doing perfect. All of them in the money. Yay, us. Good morning, MC. All right, TikTokers. No, YouTubers. YouTubers, any question? I'm going to have to go, so keep it short if there is any. Thank you, Fidge. I will enjoy my day. Thank you. That was a nice little trade on NAS. Beautiful trade. 15, 20 pips. Pop. Get the fuck out. Or if you opened up 2, let 1 run. All right. We're golden. See you guys. God bless. Thank you all for being here. God bless each and every one of you. You're welcome, Kim. Have a good day, Kim. Have a good day, Fidge.